Hello everyone. If you're facing this error when you're trying to play Battlefield RedSec, secure boot is not enabled with the security violation error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this security violation error on Battlefield RedSec. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and then you're going to write here Windows Update. You're going to come here into advanced options and then you're going to go into recovery, and here you're going to click on to restart now right next to advanced startup. Here, you're going to click on to troubleshoot, go into advanced options, and then you're going to go into UEFI firmware settings, click restart on here. And once you're restarted, go into advanced mode and then go into settings. And then here, you're going to go into MISC. Here you have Intel platform trusted technology, or it should say something like AMD's TPM. So just make sure to enable it. And once you're done, just save and close. It will restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up Battlefield RedSec on your computer, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.